Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Okay, in the last class we discussed about the top 10 monuments in India. Now in this class we are going to discuss about class 9 biology chapter plant tissues. Plant tissues is an important chapter in biology. Okay, what are tissues? So what are tissues? In the last 8th class we discussed about cell and its functions. So in that class we discussed a group of cells is called tissues. So tissues means a group of cells is called tissues. Okay. Okay. A group of cells is called tissues now. Okay, for example, take an unicellular organism. Means take an paramecium. Means take an means take an paramecium. Paramecium is an unicellular organism. So it has only one cell. Why we call paramecium is an organism? It has performed its life process. So it has performed his life process. Okay, what are life process? Life process means respiration, digestion, and excretion. Respiration, digestion, and excretion is the life processes. Okay, okay. With only one cell, paramecium will perform this life process. Means it is an unicellular organism. By why it can we perform this life process with only one cell? So what is here? What is helpful to perform only with one cell? It can perform all the life process. Okay, it is an unicellular organism and it can perform all life process. So coming to multicellular organism. So coming to multicellular organism, we can we take example of a plant. So a plant means example hibiscus plant, jasmine plant, whatever it is. Take an example of any plant. You are seeing here leaves, roots, root and roots, stem, also here flower. So you are seeing here different examples. In different examples, you are seeing so many parts present in this plant. Okay, it is a multicellular organism. This multicellular organism also perform its life process. For example, takes the first life process absorption. The first life process in plants perform is absorption. Absorption means the roots will absorb the water it, from soil. From soil, it will absorb the water. Roots. So here, the root is a part that can be helpful in the process of absorption. Means here root. So root is a part that can be helpful to perform the absorption, right? So in the second process, we can take as exchange of gases. Exchange of gases. So exchange of gases will perform which part of the plant? Leaves. Okay. So leaves will perform the exchange of gases in plant. Plants. Leaves will perform the exchange of gases. It will help to exchange the gases of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay. And also, the third life process is photosynthesis. Okay, photosynthesis. Plants prepare their own food by photosynthesis. Okay. The photosynthesis life process also we can done with the help of leaves only. Okay. Okay, leaves is a part that can perform the process of photosynthesis in plants. Also here, storage of food. We get food for plants. So in which part? So in which part that we can get food? In leaves, and flowers, fruits, especially fruits. Okay, especially fruits. No, we can get fruits. So see the difference of any unicellular and multicellular organism. So in unicellular organisms, with the only help of one cell, it will perform all the life process. But here you will observe in multicellular organism, it will perform like any different parts. Means root will perform absorption, leaves will perform exchange of gases, and also leaves again will perform photosynthesis, and also lastly the fruits will perform the storage of food. Not only fruits, leaves, also we can eat like in preparing of dal, like that. Thus in unicellular organism there is there is only one cell that can perform the life process. But in plants we can, why? Because in the plants it will perform different types of, different parts of a plant. Because so in leaves there are different types of tissues. So in leaves there are different types of tissues, and also in roots there are different types of tissues. In flowers there are different types of tissues. In fruits they have different types of tissues. Okay, different types of tissues make the plant to perform different parts the life process. Okay. Now, so this is about the plant tissues, how it perform in different organisms. Okay. Okay. Members who are watching this live stream will listen carefully. So now we are going to discuss about types of tissues. Okay, there are different types of tissues. Means in living organisms there are one type of tissues, and their plants there are one type of tissues, like that. There are so many type of tissues in different organisms. So let us see about the types. First one is meristatic tissue. Second one is dermal tissue. First one is here meristatic tissue, and the second one is dermal tissue. Okay. The third one is vascular tissue. Sorry, vascular. Okay, vascular tissue. And the last one is ground tissue. Okay, there are different types of tissues in the different organisms. Meristatic tissue will perform in the like these paramecium like organisms. Dermal tissue means in the surface of the plants. Also, ground tissue means in the roots nodules, and also lastly the vascular tissue. Vascular tissue means in the above layer of the surface and the above layer of the plants. Like that, in the different plant groups and the living organisms, the tissues is very helpful for their living growth and also for their living purpose. Main cell group of cells. Let us revise again from the first. The group of cells is called tissues. Lots of these types of tissues means meristatic tissue, dermal tissue, vascular tissue, and ground tissue. Here you can see in the diagram of plants, fruits, stems, different parts of the plants can be performed different types of life processes. So eventually, exchange of gases will perform by leaves, photosynthesis also leaves, absorption by roots and also storage fruits. Okay, different types of parts of a multicellular organism. You can keep in your mind two things. In unicellular organisms, there is only one cell that can perform all living life process. Sorry, and also in the multicellular organisms, there are different types of parts that can perform life process. And you are going to see the types of tissues. So, friends, this is of today's class. In tomorrow's class, we are going to see about the types of tissues. First time, vegetative tissue. Okay, we can discuss the types of tissues in the tomorrow's class. Okay, people who are in the live class, please like this video, so it can be helpful for me. And also, I believe that these videos are helpful for you. Okay. Okay, please subscribe my channel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Also, thank you for watching. Thank you.